Assalamualaikum. My name is Ammar. Our group will talk about Total Quality Management or TQM. So, what is TQM? TQM helps service organizations improve performance by focusing on customer needs, continuous improvement, and efficient processes. It ensures every part of the service adds value and reduces error, leading to higher customer satisfaction. Tools like PDCA, Kaizen, and root cause analysis support ongoing improvement to stay competitive. The core service offerings. So it helps potential clients understand the scope and how each offering addresses different aspects of operations. They have process optimization, quality management, supply chain management, and lastly, operational analytics. The objective of TQM is to improve customer satisfaction through service that meet or exceed customer expectations, to ensure that there is frequent and consistent progress in all company services, ensure service quality by reducing errors, defects, and mistakes in the way services are delivered, to enhance employee involvement and teamwork, ensuring staff at all levels contribute to improving service quality.
Hello, my name is Hadif, and we proceed to the literature review, which specify on the key terms in total quality management service sector. So, first, TQM is a holistic management philosophy that focuses on long-term success through customer satisfaction. It integrates quality into every process and encourages continuous improvement, teamwork, and organizational excellence. In the service sector, this is especially important because services are intangible, which deliver in real time and highly dependent on human interaction and customer perception. This means organizations must adopt flexible and customer-oriented quality strategies. One of the major principles of TQM is continuous improvement, where organizations constantly refine their processes, analyze feedback, and adopt better methods or technologies. This helps services remain efficient and responsive to customer needs. Another core element is customer satisfaction, which becomes the main indicator of service quality. By listening to complaints, surveys, and feedback, organization can identify service gaps and improve loyalty and retention. TQM in services also relies heavily on employee involvement. Since employees interact directly with customers, training, empowerment, and teamwork are essential to deliver consistent service quality. Alongside this, process management ensures service activities are well structured, reducing mistakes, delays, and miscommunications. As we look to the history, TQM developed from early statistical quality control in the 1920s and gained popularity in the 1980s, and later expanded strongly into the service sector as global economies shifted towards service-based industries. There are many concepts and elements of TQM in the service sector. As for example, the core concept of TQM is the aims for long-term success through customer focus through continuous improvement. The key elements of this process is leadership commitment, with set directions, resources, and the shapes quality. The implementation approach of this process is start with awareness and training. Also, the pilot project used to test improvement methods, and then the gradual organization-wide deployment, then continuous monitoring and process refinement, which often integrate with standards like ISO 9001 for structure and auditability.
For this study, a qualitative literature-based research approach was used. The focus of the study is on total quality management in the service sector. Instead of collecting primary data, information was gathered from previous academic studies to understand how TQM affects service quality, employee performance, and organizational outcomes. For data collection, secondary data was obtained from peer-reviewed journal article published between 2015 and 2024. These studies were selected based on their relevance to TQM implementation in service organizations and their empirical findings on service quality and performance. The collected literature was analyzed using the thematic analysis. Through this method, common themes were identified across the studies, including customer satisfaction, employee involvement, operational efficiency, and organizational performance. This approach allowed consistent patterns and results to be compared across different service industries. Based on the literature analysis, several important results were identified. Firstly, TQM significantly improved service quality and customer satisfaction by reducing service errors and improving service consistency. Secondly, operational efficiency increased through better workflow management and the use of quality tools. Thirdly, employee involvement plays a crucial role as training and empowerment improve service delivery and teamwork. Finally, organizations that implement TQM experience higher productivity, stronger competitiveness, and better long-term performance. Overall, the result shows that TQM is highly effective in improving service sector performance.
So, discussion of total quality management in service sector. There are a few of the discussion, which is service quality and customer satisfaction. TQM play an important role in improving service quality and customer satisfaction. And also, TQM help organization better understanding customer expectation. Secondly, impact of operational efficiency. TQM significantly improve operational performance in service organization, and also quality tools that giving impact of operational efficiency, such as flowchart, control chart, and root cause. It help streamline processes. Thirdly, employee involvement in service quality. Employee directly shape customer perception and service experience, and the training and empowerment improve service recovery and teamwork. So lastly, TQM and organizational competitiveness. TQM improve the overall competitiveness of service organization and increase productivity and consistency in service delivery. And lastly, they standardize service processes and ensure standard compliance with industry standard. So for conclusion, the study showed that the quality management is an effective approach for improving employee performance, operational efficiency, service quality, and overall competitiveness in the service sector. But despite limitation due to reliance on secondary data, consistency finding across industry highlight TQM continue relevant as a valuable framework for achieving long-term organization excellence and customer satisfaction. Thank you.